Gold has been used as a form of investment for centuries. But is it still a good or bad idea in today's economy? There are pros and cons to investing in gold, so let's consider some of the most critical factors. Whether you're thinking about buying gold coins or gold bars, it's essential to weigh all the pros and cons before making a decision. Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. In this video, we will discuss: is gold investment a good idea or bad idea? If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Some people say it's a good idea, while others say it's terrible. So what's the truth? Watch this video to find out. What is a gold investment and how does it work? When it comes to investing, there are a lot of options available. One possibility is gold investment. But what is a gold investment and how does it work? Gold investment refers to purchasing gold to hold it as a long-term investment. Gold can be bought in various forms, including coins, bars, and jewelry. The most popular way to invest in gold is through exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Investment vehicles holding gold as their primary asset. Gold ETFs trade on stock exchange and can be bought and sold like stocks. The appeal of gold investment lies in its role as a haven asset. Unlike stocks and other investments that can lose value when the markets are volatile, gold tends to hold its value or even increase in value during times of economic uncertainty. This makes it an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth. Of course, there are risks associated with any investment, and gold is no exception. The price of gold can fluctuate sharply and it may not always perform as expected. However, for investors willing to take on some risk, gold can be a brilliant addition to their investments. The benefits of investing in gold. Despite what some may think, gold is still a valuable asset to invest in. While it may not be as popular as it once was, there are several reasons why investing in gold can still be beneficial. For one, gold is a relatively stable asset, unlike stocks or other investments that can fluctuate wildly in value. Gold prices tend to stay pretty steady. This makes it a good investment for those who are looking for stability. Additionally, gold is a limited resource. There will only be a certain amount of gold in the world, so its value will likely continue to increase over time. Lastly, gold is a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or other investments that exist solely as digital information, gold is a physical commodity that you can hold in your hand. This can make it a more attractive investment for some people. Overall, there are several reasons why investing in gold can still be a wise choice. Is gold investment a good idea or bad idea? When it comes to investing, there are a wide variety of options. One option that has been around for centuries is gold. Gold has traditionally been considered a safe and stable investment. But is it a good idea to invest in gold? On the plus side, gold is a very durable asset. It doesn't rush or tarnish over time and holds its value well. Gold is also portable, so it's easy to store and transport. In addition, gold is scarce, which makes it a good hedge against inflation. On the downside, however, gold can be volatile. Its price can fluctuate rapidly and it can be difficult to sell gold when you need to cash out. Gold is also not productive. It doesn't generate any income or dividends. And finally, there are security risks associated with gold. It can be stolen or confiscated by governments. So is gold investment a good idea? It depends on your circumstances and goals. Gold might be a good choice if you're looking for stability and appreciation. If you're looking for income or growth potential, you might consider other options. The risks associated with gold investment. Gold is often seen as a safe investment, but many risks are associated with gold investing. First, the price of gold can be volatile and it can be challenging to predict how the market will behave in the short term. Second, gold is a physical asset, which means that it can be damaged or stolen. Third, gold is not an income-generating asset, so investors must be careful not to overinvest in gold and become too dependent on it for their financial security. Finally, gold is subject to taxes and other fees, so investors should be sure to understand the total costs of investing in gold before they commit any money. Despite these risks, gold can still be valuable to an investment portfolio. Still, Investors should remember to diversify their holdings and not pull all their eggs in one basket. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. How to get started with gold investment. Gold has long been prized as a haven investment, and with good reason. Gold is rare, durable, and easy to trade, making it an ideal asset to hold in times of economic uncertainty. If you're thinking of adding gold to your investment portfolio, here's how to start. First, do your research. Gold prices can be volatile, so it's essential to understand the factors that affect the gold market before you buy. You'll also need to decide which form of gold you want to invest in. Physical gold, such as coins or bars, can be stored in a safe deposit box or at home. Gold ETFs or mutual funds offer a more liquid option but come with additional risks. Once you've decided which form of gold is suitable for you, it's time to start buying. If you're buying physical gold, use a reputable dealer. For ETFs or mutual funds, open an account with a brokerage that offers access to the gold market. Start with a small investment and add it to gradually over time. With research and careful planning, investing in gold can be an intelligent way to diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth. Gold investment tips for beginners. Investing in gold can be an intelligent way to diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth. But how do you get started? Here are a few tips. First, educate yourself. Before investing money, it's essential to understand the gold market and what drives prices. You can find many resources online, including articles, videos, and courses. Second, start small. You don't need to invest much money to get started in gold. It's often best to start small and gradually increase your investment over time. Third, consider your options. There are many ways to invest in gold, from buying physical gold bars or coins to purchasing gold stocks or ETFs. Determine which option is best on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Finally, get help from a professional. If you're unsure where to start, consider working with a financial advisor specializing in gold investing. They can help you develop a strategy that fits your needs and ensure you're diversified appropriately. Gold investment can be a great way to protect your money from inflation and market volatility, but it's essential to do your research before investing. Consider the different ways you can invest in gold and the associated risks and rewards. The best way is to talk to an expert about what might be the best option for you, and always remember that there is no such thing as a guaranteed investment. Have you ever made a gold investment? What was your experience? Is gold investment a good idea? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.